The Commitment to Excellence program empowers realtors to enhance and showcase their professionalism by conducting business with the highest standards. This NAR program was created to increase realtors' skills beyond the code of ethics in order to ensure they are providing the best service possible. Today, we will show you how to navigate the C2EX platform to complete your competencies and track your progress. Log in to c2ex.realtor using the same login and password you use for NAR. To view the assessments, click on the learning icon in the top right of the page. The learning plan will provide access to the competencies you must complete. Choose an element you would like to begin with and complete each competency at your own pace. Take the assessment by answering a series of questions based on the topic chosen. Once completed, a learning path, providing specific education materials and tasks, will be created based on your answers. Once you complete each learning path, the yellow icon will become gray. If the icon is still yellow, you must finish that learning path to complete the assessment. C2EX also offers learning experiences called tasks. Not all tasks offered are required for the C2EX endorsement. To manage your tasks, select the flag icon at the top right of the screen. For a mandatory list of all tasks you need to complete for the endorsement, select C2EX Required under Filter by Type. Once you have completed a task, it will turn light blue on the Tasks page. You can view your progress by clicking on the dashboard icon in the upper right corner and selecting See All next to My Achievements. The C2EX wreath shows how much progress you are making in each competency area. When the assessment, learning paths, and tasks are complete for a competency, the icon will be completely light blue. Bay East wants to help you complete your C2EX endorsement. Be sure to look out for the C2EX logo on upcoming classes and events, which will assist you in completing a task. Take your professionalism to the next level and earn the NAR C2EX endorsement. For more details about C2EX, please visit nar.realtor/C2EX or send an email to the dedicated team at c2ex@realtors.org.